The Human Genome Project was an excellent example of true international collaboration among scientists from various countries. It was an ambitious international scientific effort to map and sequence an entire human genome. It was a collaborative program involving scientists from around the world, making a significant milestone in the field of genetics, genomics, and life sciences as a whole. Planning this idea was first proposed by Robert Sinclair in 1984. The U.S. Department of Energy and the National Institutes of Health formed a committee in 1986 to explore its feasibility. This project was officially launched in 1990 with the goal of determining the 3 billion base pairs in the human genome. International collaboration. The Human Genome Project gained international support and collaboration quickly. Scientists from various countries joined the effort to contribute their expertise and resources. DNA sequencing technology advancements significantly accelerated the pace of the Human Genome Project throughout the 1990s. The automated DNA sequencers, techniques for fragmenting DNA and analyzing sequences made it possible to handle the enormous task of decoding the human genome more effectively and efficiently. In 1998, J. Craig Venter-led Cellular Genomics also initiated a parallel effort for sequencing the human genome, causing a competition between the Public Human Genome Project Consortium and Cellular Genomics. Although the two groups collaborated and released a joint statement on the sequencing of the human genome, on April 14, 2003, the Human Genome Project achieved a significant milestone when both the Public Consortium and Cellular Genomics jointly announced the completion of 99% of the human genome. This high-quality sequence effort provided researchers with a comprehensive reference of human genome for studying human genetics and its impact on health and disease. It produced valuable resources for understanding human biology at large scale. Ongoing research and advancements in technology further expanded knowledge of the human genome, leading to numerous medical and scientific breakthroughs. This was a landmark achievement in science and provided the foundation for future advancements in genomics and personalized medicine.